Welcome to Munster, Indiana. It's a suburban city right in the northwest corner of Indiana. And Munster, Indiana is known for its amazing public school system, recreational parks, convenient shopping, and it is located minutes away from Chicago, right next to major highways. And we're featuring this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-level home. It is an investor special. Some work needs to be done. But when you're done, the sweat equity, the wonderful canvas is yours to create. For more information or to schedule your private tour, contact me. I'm Shanara Carter with At Home with Shanara, brokered by eXp Realty. And remember, we're not just completing transactions, we're building relationships.